Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And we just had the end of boost back burn. The next major milestone coming up is entry burn on our first stage, which is scheduled to occur around the T+6 minute mark.
Vehicles are on a nominal trajectory.
On the left-hand side of your screen, we just saw the 4 grid fins deploy. Falcon 9 is equipped with 4 hypersonic grid fins positioned near the top of the first stage that help steer the first stage as it returns to Earth. And we're currently in our first MVAC burn, and this burn should last for another few minutes. And as I mentioned, the next milestone will be the first stage entry burn, which is coming up in about a minute and a half. Today, Falcon 9 is performing 2 burns in order to land. That first burn, known as the entry burn, slows the vehicle down before hitting the denser parts of the Earth's atmosphere. Today's entry burn will be a single-engine entry burn where only E9 will relight. Without this burn, we'd only be using the atmospheric drag to slow down Falcon 9, which would add extra stress to the vehicle. Following entry burn, the booster will initiate the landing burn, which should slow down the vehicle even more for a successful landing. The white puffs coming off of Falcon 9 that you see on your screen are cold nitrogen gas, which help with attitude control. An awesome view of the Channel Islands on the right-hand side of your screen, coming up on the start of entry burn in just a few seconds.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
There's the start of entry burn. It should last about 15 seconds.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And we just had confirmation of entry burn shutdown. And as I mentioned earlier, we will be attempting to recover this booster for the second time today and are targeting a landing
Stage 1 FTS has safed
at Vandenberg's LZ4. Today's landing burn attempt will be a 3-engine landing burn where engines 1, 5, and 9 will relight to really quickly slow down the vehicle before touching down.
Stage 1 transonic. Stage 1 landing burn.
Start of landing burn.
Stage 1 landing leg deployed. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And as you saw and heard, we had successful first stage landing at landing zone 4.
Stage 2 internal guidance.
Which marks the second landing for this specific booster, which previously supported NROL 126. This marks the 390